So the metaverse, it's that cool thing which is supposed to be a confluence or a universe of companies involved in, I guess, Web 3.0, I know, another sort of fad word, and virtual reality, augmented reality, improving everything that we've got and taking it to the next level. It's going to be a big thing, at least this year, until they get bored of it and think of something new next year. So these 32 stocks held by the first listed Metaverse fund have all received a buy rating from Wall Street analysts, with 9 offering upside of over 50%. How do I rate them? Which are the stocks? Which are the ones which don't make my approved filtered list? For those of you on my Great Investments program, you know what I'm talking about. Let's look at the first one. So Planet Labs. It doesn't make my approved filtered stock list, and my approved filtered list is based on valuation, revenue growth, cash flow, dividends, consistent outperformance of the markets. Now this one's got a target price upside according to the analysts of 150%. It's a little penny share, pretty high risk. It's in the fund. 5 analysts have got it as a buy. You can see the data over there. It's a data provider. All right, that one's up to you. C. You'll have heard of it. It doesn't make my list. However, 9 buys, 0 holds, 0 sells. Price target would give you 112% return. Matterport, not on my approved filtered list, 92%. Block, used to be called Square, 89%. Not on my approved filtered list. It's fallen off quite a bit. It's part of the metaverse though. Coinbase, I should declare an interest. I did own Square. I don't have it at the moment. Coinbase I do own, not as part of my regular investment strategy, but part of my FOMO IPOs to do with crypto. 13 buys, anyway, 77% to the upside, didn't make my list. Snap, not on my approved filtered list, 72% to the upside. Cloudflare, not on my approved filtered list, 64% to the upside. Bentley Systems, 54% to the upside, doesn't make my list. Alibaba, 52% to the upside, doesn't make my approved list. You might know there's a controversy at the moment. BBC has some shareholdings in Alibaba. Alibaba does work for the Communist Party in China, and there's a conflict, ethical conflict regarding how their treatment of Uyghurs. So you might not want to go into that one. Take Two, non the approved filtered stock list, 49% to the upside. PayPal, not my approved filtered list, but it was, and when it was, I was a shareholder and I still am holding on from that period. 43% targeted to the upside. Unity Software, 41% to the upside. Activision Blizzard, 39, 36 for Roblox. I am a shareholder, not on my normal investment strategy, but on my FOMO, which was fear of missing out with IPOs. So it's in that, 36% to the upside. Now, Skyworks Solutions is one of my approved stocks, and that's got a 35% to the upside. PTC doesn't make my list, 34%. Electronic Arts, 34% to the upside, 31 for Nvidia. Autodesk, previously been on my list, as is Nvidia at 29%. Amazon, not on my approved filtered list. I'm a shareholder because it's one of my 5 quality companies. Adobe, I'm a shareholder from when it was on my approved filtered list, and it's 27% to the upside. Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, one of my 5 quality companies, so I'm a shareholder even though it's not on the approved filtered list because my quality companies I'm in. Disney, not on the approved filtered list as things stand, was and has been in the past, 25% to the upside. Nike, 24% to the upside. Akamai, 23%. Alphabet, I'm a shareholder and is on the approved filtered list, 21% to the upside. Microsoft, I'm a shareholder, it's one of my quality companies, 18% to the upside. Equinix, 15%, Limelight Networks, 12%, and so on. Qualcomm, 9%, does make my approved filtered list. I think it'll probably do better than that, but let's see. Advanced Micro, 7%. Apple, I am a shareholder. That says 1% target price upside. I'm sure the analysts who've got 21 buys on it expect far, far more than that. Anyway, have a look at my campaign for $1million.com to get a lot of free resources, materials from my Telegram channel, more videos like this and the like. I hope you found that very useful. Gives you some insight into the meta universe, and those of you who've been asking, how do I get involved with the meta universe, the metaverse? then it gives you some actual names and those who are involved in it. As I've said to a very wealthy friend of mine who recently asked about, I think it was cryptos or AI he was interested in. I said, it's not your problem to find which is the sort of tiny little angel investment. You can find the big companies, and it's the big companies which will, as you saw some of those names there, who will get access to the most innovative things that are happening, such as that. So, okay, some of you won't like those names, some of you won't agree with my names, some of you might like the names that I didn't necessarily fit into my profile but had bigger gains. That's all up to you. This is not individual stock advice, obviously, because I don't know who you are. So, but nevertheless, hope you found it useful.